Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about basic of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel, MS Excel or spreadsheet or workbook all are same. So we can call it as per our preference. A single workbook can have single sheet. So when we are opening the Excel spreadsheet, we will have single sheet. We can create multiple sheet if we need it. By clicking this plus button, we can add multiple sheets. Also, if we no need, we can delete. As of now, the sheet 1 is enough for us. So I have deleted the rest of this sheets. By watching this video, you can clearly understand how to start working with Microsoft Excel. So on this sheet 1, here you can see multiple boxes. This and all, we can call it as a cells. So where my mouse is pointing out, that one is called active cell. Here in this sheet, you can see A, B, C, this and all columns. A multiple, this column contains a multiple cells. If I select the top of the D, the entire column has been selected. Also downwards, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this and all rows, columns and rows. A sheet can have columns and rows. Here you can see the name, the name box. It is called a name box. Here it is C4 because of on the C column on the fourth row we are in active. So here it comes C4. This and all very helpful when we are moving into the formulas, Excel formulas. So that time the cells understanding of the cells is very important. Also, the combination of cells is called as a range. So here the range is B3 to D8. So that is the selected area. The range is because here you can see the we are starting with selected B and 3 end with E and 8. This is the range we are selected. If you want to move the cursor, we can use the mouse or else simply enter the keyboard. You can see the cursor coming down the side. If you want to move top of the Excel, press shift and then enter. The cursor will go upside. Also, we can use arrow button to move the cursor. If I move left side, you can see the cursor moving left side. Now it is right side. Also, it can be moved by using the arrow key top and bottom side. So, by using the keyboard arrow keys, we can move the active cells. In this Excel, top of this Excel, you can see one layout. So, in this layout, you can see file, home, insert, a number of options is there. It is called tabs, Excel tabs. So each tab, when we are clicking the tab, you can see the multiple options are coming. It is called ribbons. Each tab will have some ribbons. On this ribbon, will have some groups. See, each tabs when we are selecting the tab, here we can see some groups. The table group, illustration groups, here charts groups. So these and all groups. On these groups, you can see some pop-up window. See, I will click home button. Here you can see some alignment setting. So extra option we will have if we press the pop-up options. See, so these and all it will be useful when we are working in the Excel spreadsheet. So overall, what we have seen so far is about sheet, cells, range, the layout, tabs, and then ribbons, groups, these and all we have seen so far. These and all the basic information we should know about the Microsoft Excel before we start working. Now I am going to save this Excel. Go to File, Save As, select some path as you like. I am going to save this Excel in my document. Excel for beginners. Okay. Now I am going to create a simple table so that we will understand little bit more. Serial number 1, 2. I'm going to create up to 5. Here you can see one option, quick analysis, control plus Q. So here we no need to type manually all these numbers. Just select the existing number, just drag it down. You can see up to 5 we have created. The entire sheet we can create like this. So we no need to type manually all the numbers. Employee name Ashok, Kumar, Arun, Anil, Ram. Month Jan, Feb. So month also we no need to type manually. Just track this, select the existing month and track this. You can see automatically it comes Jan, Feb, March, April, May, and then per month salary. Just I will type 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Here per day. So we are going to calculate per day salary. This is per month salary. We will see how to convert this into a per day salary. Put equal. We need to apply formula. Put equal. Select the existing month 1 month salary divided by, so per month 30 days. So I am going to put 30, enter. So now we got 166.667. So 166 is the per day salary. Now you can see here D2 by 30. So this is not value, this is a formula only, it's applied here. Okay, this formula we can just simply copy and paste into the rest of the cells. We no need to put formula for each rows. Okay, just to copy and paste into the next rows. The formula automatically the Excel will take the formula. Okay, and one more thing, we should not left the formula as it is. Okay, we should make it is a values. Just to copy, right click, select, right click, copy, and then right click. There is an option paste special. Here we can see a number of option. As of now we can use values and then give OK. Now there is no formula, only numbers available. So this is how we should convert a formula into values. We have seen per day salary. Here we will see the sum of all the month. To calculate the sum formula, just to put equal SUM, open bracket, select all the values, closed bracket, enter. Okay, I will simply select all these numbers. Here you can see 35,000. Here also the same value. So this is how we should use sum formula in MS Excel. Okay, so now this Excel, there is no border on this Excel. I'm going to put one border to look more good. I will remove this one. Go to home. Here you can see the borders, correct? There is a number of option is there. I'm going to use all borders. Before that, select the table and go to the borders and all borders. Here you can see. So this is how we should use the border option. Also there is one more option. So there is n number of option is there: insert, page layout, formulas, data type, review, view. All this we can use in Microsoft Excel. So based on our preference. We'll see one more option. We very often we will use while working on the Excel sheet. It is filters. On the data tab, you can see the filter option. See, just to click the filter option, the filter will come here. We can, if the table is very huge, so we can easily filter it out. I will select Anil. Now we can see the Anil information. Next, I will go to the Arun. You can see the Arun information. If you no need the filter, here you can see clear filter. Just click the clear filter, the filter will go. Also, the header filter also we can remove by clicking it again. So this is how we should use the filter option. We'll see one more tab. Here one more tab, view. On this view, a number of options is there. I will go with the freeze pans. In this freeze pans option, just click it. Here you can see three options: freeze pans, freeze top row, freeze first column. So as per our preference, we can freeze it. Now as of now, I will freeze the top row. If I click it, the top, you can see this top row. The top row, it won't go inside. It will be permanent. For this purpose, we can use these freeze options. This is how we should use the freeze options. This and all we very often we will use in Microsoft Excel. So this is all about the beginning. So if you want to know more, I will put it in the upcoming videos. Okay. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like the video. If you need more videos like this, please put it in the comments below. Once again, thank you.